Welcome to a revolution in luxury travel, ladies and gentlemen. This is a statement rather than simply a motorhome. This is the McLaren Motorhome for 2026. Its exterior is a magnificent combination of racetrack aerodynamics and cutting-edge design, having been conceived from the same DNA as the most amazing hypercars in the world. Each curve and line has a function and is crafted from carbon fiber to be as robust and light as possible. Even when parked, it appears to be traveling at 100 miles per hour thanks to the matte gray paint and distinctive LED light highlights that are reminiscent of the iconic McLaren Senna. However, there is more to this beauty than meets the eye. A hybrid V8 twin-turbo engine, a race car-derived powerplant with over 900 horsepower, is hidden within this masterpiece. It demonstrates that a 5-star hotel and a supercar on wheels are both possible because to its combination of electric economy and sheer power. A pilot-worthy command center awaits you as you enter the cockpit. A big, curved OLED panel that serves as the focal point of the dashboard is a masterwork of minimalist design. Everything is shown with breathtaking clarity, from infotainment and navigation to a thorough performance summary of the hybrid system. Inspired by the McLaren Artura, the steering wheel feels properly weighted in your hands, and the dash is wrapped in luxury leather and carbon fiber trim. Here, you may interact with a machine and experience the accuracy and enthusiasm of McLaren engineering. The mood changes to a sumptuous, open-plan living area as soon as you exit the cockpit. The interior, which combines perfect elegance with efficiency, is a masterwork of contemporary luxury. Subtle mood lighting highlights a neutral color scheme and sleek, angular forms, resulting in a sophisticated and serene ambience. Comfort without sacrificing style is the focus of the furniture, which is made of lightweight composites and covered with premium Alcantara. With a large retractable screen and a top-notch sound system, the lounge can be transformed into an immersive home theater experience thanks to the seat's ability to swivel and recline. You will discover a haven created for the utmost in relaxation when you retreat to the bedroom. The room has soft lighting, simple lines, and a calm atmosphere. Unmatched comfort is offered by a king-sized bed with a high-density memory foam mattress. There is plenty of storage without taking up too much room thanks to the concealed cupboards and compartments that run the walls. You may wake up to breathtaking views from the outside while yet having total privacy thanks to a sizable panoramic window at the head of the bed. The excellent design of the bathroom is evident. With a rain shower head and a tempered glass walk-in shower, the idea of a wet bath is enhanced. With a touch-sensitive faucet and smart mirror, the sink and toilet are effortlessly incorporated into the design. The flooring are made of a beautiful and long-lasting heated composite material. This place is all about design and efficiency, demonstrating how opulent even a tiny area can seem. With its full array of cutting-edge gadgets, the kitchen is a chef's paradise. The sophisticated cabinetry effortlessly incorporates a full-size refrigerator with a freezer, a combination convection microwave, and a 2-burner induction cooktop. In addition to a surprisingly large surface area and ingenious storage for all of your cooking requirements, the countertops are composed of a sleek, long-lasting composite material. It has the upscale atmosphere you would anticipate from a contemporary penthouse and is set up to allow you to prepare delicious meals on the fly.